Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and got something in the box. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's check it out. So here we go. It is box opening time. Let's see. This box is usually kind of tricky to open. This is actually different than the normal boxes. Okay, why I can't get this? Let's see. There we go. And okay. Wasn't as bad as it normally is. Okay, so oops, don't knock the camera over. Let's move this over a little bit. And here we go. Of course, some nuts. The foam peanuts. This is from Fragrance by CA, obviously. This is what I got for my Black Friday. And some of the stuff that I was telling you guys that they had a big sale going on. So yeah, so I picked up this one. This is Khadlaj Island. This is supposed to be a clone of the Jean Paul Gaultier's, I think it's Le Male or Le Beau or one of those. I can't remember. I haven't smelled either one of those, so I'm not sure what the clone's going to be. And here we go. This is actually one of the Hawas Black and Hawas Ice. Actually, in one of those, one of the Friday videos that I was telling you that Fragrance Buy was having a sale. They had this collection or set, and this was on sale for, I think it was like $70 or something like that for both of them. So yeah, and I don't have them, so I figured I'd pick them up. And that is it. Just a bunch of more peanuts. All right, let's change this angle, and then we can try out these fragrances. All right. Okay, got this new angle, and we are all set. I'm thinking maybe I'll start out with the Khadlaj, and I just noticed they have the notes on the back of it, so we can go through the notes also. All right. So yeah, this one I think is supposed to be a clone of one of the JP John Paul's. I think it's. Can't remember if it's. Ooh, I smell it coming out. Hopefully the bottle didn't break. Oh man. I think it's Le Male or Le Beau or one of the two of those. Just a basic box, nothing special. It does have the extra flap on the top, on the front, where you can keep the bottle in place. Let's take that plastic off so I can see the notes. And here's the bottle. It's a little dusty on the side, but it's cool. There it is. Nice, pretty nice bottle. The back of the bottle is kind of got like little ridges, if you can hear that, and top of is pretty nice also. And feels like this might be a metal cap. I'm not sure, but yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, first spray. Oh, it sprayed instantly. Somebody sprayed my bottle. Let's see how much is missing. Let's see, but okay. It smells like kind of like coconut. It gives me beach vibes, like sun tanning lotion vibes, kind of. Like really, it gives me the vibe of like being on vacation, and like a summer vacation, like a beach near the near a beach, near water. Yeah, this is really kind of cool. This is It's a playful kind of scent. It's nothing major, but it seems like a scent that you probably can get, quite a few compliments from it. Pretty cool. I like this. I like it. I like it. Actually, while we're here, I'll let you see the notes. There they are. And, but yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice bottle. All right, let's go on to the next one. Hold on a second. Everything's going off. All these notifications. Hold on a second. All right, so back to it. So, oh no. What am I doing with that? So let's try this next one. Let's go with Hollis Ice. There's the box. Very reflective with the plastic on it. So let's get this plastic off of it and see what we're working with. Get it all off. Toss that over there. Seems like it's a pretty basic box. Same thing. It has the extra flap to hold the bottle in place. And ooh, this bottle is kind of nice. Ooh, this one's dusty too. Is it me or is it just the, like, if you can see this dust on the front of it? Yeah, it's, see, now it's gone. But yeah, pretty nice. It's got this white top and the look like a snake going around it, and the top is, ooh, it feels like either stone or maybe metal, maybe. It has the Rasasi name on there. That's going to come up. There we go. And yeah, so pretty cool. All right, let's see. Let's get a spritz out of it. Let's see what it's smelling like. Okay, it smells. It almost smells like a lighter version of Hawas. Like almost gives me like a vibe of a watered down kind of the Hawas, or the whole Invictus. What is it? Invictus Frost or whatever, the Frost bottle. But yeah. Oh, wait a minute, it's changing. It's changing. Now it's starting to smell like that first spray. Wow, that was quick. That first spray, when I first sniffed it, right after I sprayed it, it smelled like a watered down version. Now it's starting to smell more like Hawas, but with something else in it, like some type of light note. I don't know if it's coconut. I don't know if it's that I'm smelling the coconut from the Khadlaj island, but that's kind of feel like what I'm getting, like maybe a coconut note or a pineapple. Not pineapple, but like coconut, or I don't know. But it's good. It's good. It's just, it's, I have to I have to go through my whole little feeling about it for a little while. But on the initial spray, it's good. It's just seems almost a little bit repetitive to some things that I already have. So that's not a bad thing, but it's just not, it's not a brand new DNA, which we normally ain't gonna get a whole lot of brand new DNAs of these fragrances, because most of the fragrances are going to be pretty close to whatever they were before the other fragrances that are out now. So the next one up is Hawas Black, and this is one of the newer ones. And some people were saying that this was not an official release. This was like somebody had made up this by Hawas, made this fragrance up, and it wasn't really from the Hawas collection. But then they finally came out and said, yeah, it is our actual fragrance. So, okay, here we go. Here's the box. This box is pretty nice. I like the, it's like a little like snake skin maybe there. And the color, I like the black and the rose gold kind of writing. It's pretty nice. That's pretty classy. I like that. So, here we go. Same thing, same type of box with the cover on the top of it. Ooh, this bottle is nice. Okay, this one is a little bit nicer than the regular Hawaii. I like this. It's like this, but this is it has the same type of top. It has the snake going around it, but this one feels more like metal. And no, and this one does not have the Rasasi's name on the top of it. This one has, I think this one has the name on the top of it. Yeah, that one has the name on top of it. This one, the black one, does not. Okay, let's get a spray. Put this top down. Let's see. Wasp black. I'm gonna have to try these on skin because, and woo wee, this is strong. I don't even have to put this to my nose. This is spicy. It's like, this is like cedarwood. I think it's supposed to be like a clone or rendition of Hashivat or Aventus. Oh my goodness. But I smell just spices like wood spices, or like from fanning it. I'm getting spices almost like a cedarwood type of vibe, or maybe not really birch. Kind of like birch, but not really. It's more like cedarwood because it has that spiciness. Almost smells like something that you can cook with, like maybe a nutmeg or something like that. But when I get close to it, I smell more of the fruit. It smells like pineapple or something. It smells more like Aventus or Hashivat when it's close. But in the air, when I'm fanning this, and maybe it's just the top notes that's burning off, but as I'm fanning it, it's more of a spicy vibe, and you can barely smell the fruit in it. But yeah, I like this. I'm kind of done and bored with the whole Aventus DNA type of vibe of fragrances. I have maybe 3 or 4 type of DNA. I mean, of Aventus type of DNAs. I don't need another one, but this one is not. This is kind of like a little twist on it. This is more of like smells like a grown-up version of the like the CDN kind of vibe, the whole Aventus kind of vibe. It smells a little bit grown up. This smells more like Aventus could be like the day wear, and this would be like the night wear of the same type of fragrance. But yeah, I like this. Actually, out of the 3, this one's grabbing my attention the most for right now. So yeah, that is what I got. Black Friday, my Black Friday deals. I got, let's go here. These 2 came as a package deal, the Hawaii Ice and Hawaii Black, and then the Khadlaj Island. This one is going to be a cool one too, I think, for the summertime. Right now, and maybe that's why yeah, this smells like shaved coconuts. This is going to be nice for the summertime. Right now we're rocking with, like, it's 30 degrees right now outside, and it's cold, so my mind is not really in the place to be thinking about this one right now. But I think once it starts getting warm, I'm probably going to crack this one open. And I probably will wear this one day when maybe we have a little bit warmer day, like maybe a 50s or something like that, I might wear it, or I might wear it in the evening just to get like a vibe for it and put it on my skin. So I would put some of these on my skin, but I got other stuff on right now, so I can't do it right now. But anyway, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about 3 fragrances. They're new fragrances to me, but they're not really new fragrances. Well, Khadlaj is kind of new. The Hawas Ice and Black, they've been out for maybe a couple of months. I think they came out this year. Oh, I guess all of these came out this year. So, okay, maybe they knew. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you on the next one. Deuces.